We are glad to welcome you on the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I would like to show how you can open developer options in Oppo. So in order to reveal the developer options section on the Oppo smartphone or simply make it visible, you will need to launch settings, then find the about device or about phone category. The name of this particular section might vary, but it will always contain the phone specifications. Then depending on the color OS that you have, should it be older or a newer one, you might have the build number spec over here at the main page, or you might need to go for version, as it is in my case. Just make sure to find the build number section or option or spec. Actually, if you cannot do that, just use the search. Here it is. Then continuously tap at the build number like that until you will receive "you are now in a developer mode" message, or "you are now a developer" message. So at this point, the developer option was successfully revealed, and now in order to access and open them, you will need to enter the additional settings category or system category, depending on the Android or Color OS version you have, as I've already mentioned, and here are the developer options. And if you are having hard times finding them, you can also use the general settings search and get the developer options from here. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.